It feels like every year foldable phones promise to finally fix the crease, and every year, they kind of don't. You either see it, feel it, or eventually just accept it like that one annoying thing about your favorite gadget. But this year at CES, Samsung may have quietly shown off something that actually changes the conversation. Ice Universe posted a look at a brand new foldable panel Samsung displayed behind closed doors, and this thing basically has no visible crease. Not slightly better, not less noticeable, just gone. And here's where it gets really interesting. This isn't just Samsung showing off for fun. Reports suggest this exact technology could end up inside Apple's first foldable iPhone. Yeah, the iPhone Fold might actually debut with a crease-free screen, and suddenly the first attempt from Apple could leapfrog phones that have been iterating for years. On top of that, the display even supports under-display camera tech, which lines up perfectly with rumors that Apple wants a completely clean inner screen with no punch holes anywhere. There's also talk that Apple may ditch Face ID for this device and instead bring back Touch ID, but built into the power button like the iPad Air and iPad Mini. So imagine a thinner foldable, no notch, no cutout, no crease, and a fingerprint sensor on the side. It's almost like Apple wants this thing to feel less like a futuristic experiment and more like a polished, premium, everyday device. Now, interestingly, Samsung might use this tech too for their own upcoming wide foldable, but there's a catch. It depends on whether Samsung's mobile division actually wants to spend the money, because this isn't some cheap upgrade. We're talking laser-drilled metal plate engineering under the display, so the screen folds without creating that permanent groove in the middle. Even when viewed from the side at CES, people said you still couldn't see a crease. That's insane for a foldable. Specs-wise, the iPhone Fold is rumored to launch around September 2026, alongside the iPhone 18 lineup. Supposedly, it'll come with a 5.5-inch outer display, a massive 7.8-inch internal screen, possibly a 5,400 to 5,800 mAh battery, under-display camera on the inside, another camera on the cover screen, dual 48-megapixel cameras on the back, and a price that may start around $2,400. Yeah, that part hurts. Ming-Chi Kuo has even chimed in saying the device could be around 9 to 9.5 millimeters thick when closed, and roughly 4.5 to 4.8 millimeters when open. So thicker than Samsung's Fold when shut, but thinner than Google's Foldable when open. Basically, it'll still be chunky in the pocket, but surprisingly sleek when you unfold it. But the headline here is simple. If this crease-free display really ships, this could be the biggest shift in foldables since the category began. Suddenly, the biggest complaint disappears, suddenly the tech looks fully matured, and suddenly Apple entering the foldable game doesn't feel late, it feels perfectly timed. So what do you think? If the iPhone Fold launches like this, would you actually consider buying a foldable, or is the price still a complete deal breaker? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to see what you guys think. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.